What's going on, guys? This is 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you our top 5 best weight loss shakes in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our opinion, and much more. To find out more information about these shake powders, feel free to check them out in the description below. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video and leave your answer in the comments section. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also, if you have any questions about any of these products whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video and we'll respond to you as soon as we possibly can. And with that said, enjoy the slideshow. First up at number 1, we've got the Huel Complete Weight Loss Shake Powder. And coming in at number 2, we've got the Soylent Weight Loss Shake. Up next, we've got the plant-based weight loss shake from Orgain Organic. And coming in at number 4, we've got the Garden of Life Weight Loss Shake. And last but not least, we've got the Protein Weight Loss Shake from Quest Nutrition. So now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which weight loss shakes you'd like to try. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the next slide for related content that you just might like.